my channel. If you're new here, then girl, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so I'm super duper excited about the holidays, and today's video is gonna sorta kinda be a holiday gift guide. I have some holiday gift sets I want to talk to you guys about. I also want to chat about my favorite holiday fragrance candles from Bath & Body Works because girl, did you catch that $8 candle sale? You know I did. I did just a little bit of damage, but yeah, I want to talk to you guys about my favorite candles from there because I'm literally gonna be burning holiday fragrance candles until July. That's how many I bought because I always like to stock up whenever they're $8 because of course that's just a great deal. And then I also have some new makeup products that I picked up from Sephora. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun little video just talking about a lot of different things. So I hope you guys are excited to watch, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna start off talking about the gift sets. So if you have someone in your life that is into beauty, skincare, makeup, anything like that, then I definitely think that gift sets are the way to go because you get more bang for your buck. So the first gift sets that are by the brand Tatcha, and I think Tatcha is kind of like a fancy, I would consider them a fancy brand. They have a lot of nice high quality skincare and makeup products. So these sets I think would be perfect for someone who really loves beauty. So this first gift set I want to share with you guys is actually a lipstick trio, and I really love the packaging. So yeah, it has 3 different lipsticks. And as you guys can tell, that packaging is so cute. So you have a red, a black, and a white. So this black one actually has a red lipstick, and I just love the packaging, so cute. I love how dainty. This would be perfect to throw in your purse or whenever you're traveling. So yeah, that one is red lipstick. And then this one has kind of like a peach colored lipstick in it. It kind of matches the actual tube, and I think that's a really pretty color. And then the very last one that's in the set, it has white packaging, and it has more of a mauve color lipstick. So yeah, I think these are absolutely gorgeous, and I think they would be perfect for someone who is really into makeup because these are really high quality lipsticks, and I just think it would be a really great gift. So this next gift set from Tatcha is actually a body butter and a hand cream. I will have links for everything listed below. So that is what it looks like. It's very luxurious. So this is actually the body butter, and I haven't personally tried this, but I'm super duper excited to try it. But I think I'm actually gonna give this away for a gift, so I'll probably have to just go buy it individually or maybe buy myself a gift set. But yeah, this is the soothing body butter, and I love a great body butter, especially during the cooler months because, you know, our skin gets a little bit drier. And a hand cream is always a must, especially for somebody like me because my hands all the time look like I've been punching bricks or something. I especially get really ashy like in the corners right there. So yeah, I always have to keep a hand cream on hand in my handbag or anything like that because hands just stay ashy during this time of year. So yeah, I think this would be a really great gift set as well if you're looking for something for a beauty lover. So this next gift set is a pore perfecting trio. This is something that I would personally enjoy because y'all know the pores over here are a struggle bus. But I'm gonna tell you guys, if you buy these products individually, they are so expensive. So you get a better deal if you're buying it in an actual gift set because like I said earlier, you get more bang for your buck. So this is the trio that you get. So the first thing is the deep cleanse. So I'm assuming that this is like a facial cleanser. So yeah, this is a facial cleanser, and it says it's for normal to oily skin. And then you actually have the water cream, which is pretty much like a moisturizer. I love Tatcha's packaging. I think it looks really nice and sleek. It looks really pretty on your bathroom vanity. So yeah, this is a pore perfecting Wild Rose moisturizer for normal to oily skin. This last product, this is actually what you remove your makeup with. So it says just to dispense 1 to 2 pumps into dry hands and massage it onto a dry face. And I really love using cleansing balms or cleansing oils to get off my makeup. So I'm pretty sure that this would be a nice one to try. So this would be a really, really great gift set to get a beauty lover. I'm telling you, they would definitely enjoy this. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna take a break from the gift sets and we're gonna move on to candles. And I'm super duper excited. Y'all know I love me some Bath & Body Works candles, but I love them even more when I can get them for a great deal. So yeah, they were $8, and I'm not sure if they'll be, well, Well, I know for a fact they won't be having another $8 candle sale because it literally only happens one time a year, but they'll probably do like a 2 for $24 sale or something like that. So if you're interested in getting some candles, maybe you can catch one of those sales. So I just want to share with you guys some of the candles that I think are really great that would be nice for giving to others for a gift. So I have 6 different candles that I want to share with you guys. This first one I think is a newbie for me, but I'm not sure because they're all the time changing the packaging and I just can't keep up. But this one's called Cinnamon Pinecone, and what I really like about this one is it gives you the aroma of a fresh Christmas tree, but it's not as overbearing as like the fresh balsam. So if you do want something that is going to give you that fresh fragrance of a Christmas tree, then I would definitely say try this one out. It's not as overbearing, so it does have a little hint of cinnamon to it. Whenever I smell it, I don't smell too much cinnamon, but it's kind of like a mix of evergreen and a mix of cinnamon, and I think it smells really nice. So if you don't like anything that's too cinnamony, but you don't like anything that's too like evergreeny, then you will definitely enjoy this one. Next up, we have Flannel, and Flannel is definitely an OG. It has been around for such a long time, and I think I forgot how much I really enjoyed this one. It's definitely a blend of a lot of different things. I smell a little bit of musk, a little bit of pine cone, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla. It's definitely a mixture of all things Christmas. So this would be a great one to get if you just want to have that aroma of Christmas in your home. So yeah, this one's really nice. The next one we have is Twisted Peppermint, and this will always be a go-to for me. I really enjoy that fragrance. I like it in the hand soap, the hand lotion, all of that. I really love this fragrance. This is definitely an OG as well. I think it's been around longer than Flannel, but yeah, it's literally peppermint. So if you enjoy the fragrance of peppermint, you will really enjoy this one. I think it smells really nice. It's not overbearing. It's peppermint, but it's not too strong. So yeah, it's really nice. And on the bottom, it just says fresh balsam, which I do not smell the fresh balsam in this whenever I just smell it in the jar. I don't really smell too much of fresh balsam. And then it says it has a hint of musk and buttercream. I definitely can smell the buttercream. So yeah, it's like peppermint with buttercream. It smells really nice. So if you love peppermint, then you'll definitely love you some Twisted Peppermint. Champagne Toast. This one is really good, you guys. It kind of smells like strawberries. It's sweet, but it doesn't smell too sweet. It's really nice and perfect. This is definitely a girly fragrance. So if you're looking for a gift for someone who's a little bit more on the feminine and girly side, they will definitely enjoy this candle. It's really nice. It says that bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. So yeah, that's it, you guys. This one's it. If you looking for one to give somebody, I would say do this one. You cannot go wrong. Like, if you don't know what they like, I don't think you can go wrong with this one, especially if they're like very girly and very feminine. They will definitely enjoy this one. So yeah, go for this one. The next one I want to talk about is Campire Doughnut, and this one puts me in the mind of the one that I really like, Marshmallow Fireside. I couldn't think of it, but yeah, this one definitely puts me in the mind of that. And this says that it's made with essential oils, so I'm assuming that that's gonna make it a little bit stronger because the oils probably like intensify the fragrance. So it says it's made with cedar wood, powdered sugar, and glazed donut, and it's really nice. If you do like a nice hint of sweet but not too sweet, then I think this one will be nice. And last but definitely not least, we have Marshmallow Fireside. If you've been around my channel for a while, then you already know how I feel about this one. I think it's just perfect. It puts me in the fall and the Christmas mood, and this is probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite candle. I feel like the aroma that you get whenever you smell it in the jar is not equivalent to the aroma that you get whenever you burn it. Because whenever I first smelled this candle, I was like, But I went to my friend Brandy's house. I will never forget, Brandy is the one who put me onto game with this candle. I went to her house one day and I was like, girl, what are you burning? And she was like, Marshmallow Fireside. And I was like, hooked. Ever since, I was hooked on this candle. So yeah, I really love this one, and I think it's really nice because it just reminds me of all things fall and winter. I went to Sephora because I had to pick up some gift sets. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways over on Instagram. I'm at NitraaB, so if you wanna follow along and join in on that fun. But yeah, I had to pick up some gift sets, so I decided to pick up some makeup because I literally haven't bought new makeup in such a long time. So I just kind of wanted to see what was new and just try some different foundations and things like that, because I feel like I'm pretty good whenever it comes to eyeshadows, but I love changing up foundations and concealer, which I feel like it's kind of weird because normally when you get that one go-to foundation, you normally stick to it. But Here lately, I've been having like 4 or 5 different go-to foundations, so I don't know what's wrong with me. But anywho, yeah, I went to Sephora and I picked up a few things for myself, so I just wanted to share those with you guys. The first thing is this Milk Makeup setting powder. So I haven't really heard much about this. It says it blurs and it sets, so I got the translucent medium. So yeah, I love a good translucent powder, and again, this one's by Milk Makeup. And as you guys can tell, it is a medium shade. So it has like one of these little lids that you pop open. So yeah, on the top it says Blur Set Go, and you peel that off and the actual product comes out. Oh, so this is different. I haven't seen one like that. Normally the ones that I use have like 5 holes in the top. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one and see what it's all about. I feel like a good setting powder is definitely a must. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely making a mess. But yeah, a good setting powder is a must if you want to make sure that your concealer lasts throughout the day and it doesn't crease. So yeah, I always like trying different ones. So I'm excited to try this one. Oh, so one foundation that I bought on this Sephora trip was this new one by Becca, and I've already been using it, and y'all, I love it so much. So it's called the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. So you guys already know that I'm totally obsessed with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. So I wanted to give this one a try because I noticed with the Ultimate Coverage one, sometimes in the winter time, it can make my skin look a little bit dry because it is so matte, and sometimes in the winter time, my skin can get a little bit on the dry side. So I just wanted to try something that was different, and I have absolutely been obsessed with this one. This is what I'm wearing right now, and it's a really great foundation. It says it's infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Complex. I'm not really sure what that is, but I love this foundation so much, and the shade I got was Maple. I was feeling a little bit fancy, so I decided to pick up some products by Dior. So this first product is actually a foundation, and like I told you guys, I just like trying out different foundations. So this one comes in this packaging, and it says that it's a 24-hour wear full coverage fresh weightless foundation. So yeah, I haven't tried this out yet, but once I do, I'll definitely let you guys know how I feel about it. And I got the color 045. I also picked up a matching concealer because I wanted to see how they work hand in hand together, and this is what it looks like. I got the shade 030. Hopefully it's not too light, but yeah, this is the Dior Skin Forever Undercover. And the very last product that I picked up is an Extreme Perfection Matte Finish Invisible Loose Powder. And I'm gonna open it up and just show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna use all 3 of these together just to see what it looks like as a trio. So yeah, this is the packaging for the loose powder, and it is a lot whiter than like the Milk Makeup. This one doesn't really have any color to it. It seems like it has a little bit of a pink undertone, but for the most part, it's translucent. All right guys, so moving on to the gift sets. These are the ones that I'm going to be giving away on my Instagram. So if you're interested in any of them and you want to possibly win one for free, then make sure that you're following me on Instagram and that you have your notifications turned on so you don't miss anything. So the first one I want to talk about is the Sephora Favorites, and this says Superstars Everyday Must-Haves. And what really caught my attention was the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Spray. I love the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I really enjoy the setting spray as well. So that's what caught my attention. This is a $75 value, and I know for sure that the Brow Wiz, which is a full size, is $20. The Urban Decay eyeliner is also $20, and I'm not sure about the Stila. It looks like it might be like a glitter eyeshadow or something. I'm not sure the price of that, but yeah, you get a lot of different products. You get a sample of the Dior Show mascara. You also get a Kat Von D lipstick and a Becca highlighter. So this is a really great gift for anyone who's interested in trying some different products. You also get the Fenty Beauty Primer, which I really like that primer. I'm not sure if it's the face primer or the eyeshadow primer, but both are really good. So yeah, this is a really nice gift set. Y'all already know that I'm a complete perfume whore. I love perfumes so much. So this is the Sephora perfume sampler, and if you guys aren't familiar with this is really great. So pretty much they give you a lot of different samples of fragrances, but they also put a coupon inside and you can get your own full-size bottle. So that really makes this a steal, because for $65 you get to try out all of these samples, but then out of all of these that you try, whichever one you really enjoy, you can take your little voucher in in, and they will give you one of these for free, which I'm sure if you get a full size of any of these perfumes that they're over $65, because these are some pretty high-end perfumes. So yeah, this is a really great deal, and I love the fact that you get the voucher that you can get a full size of whichever one you enjoy the most. So this next gift set is really nice. It's by Too Faced. So you get a full eyeshadow palette that has 24 eyeshadows and 4 blushes, and then you also get the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. You get an ultra plush lip gloss, you get a makeup bag, and then also you get the Too Faced Better Than Sex little mascara sample. So I thought that this was a really great deal. I love the packaging. So this will be great for anyone that is into makeup that really enjoys eyeshadows. This will definitely be a really great gift set to get them. This next skincare gift set includes all facial masks. So it's retailed for $64 and you can get it for $24, but you have a Sephora coconut face mask, some Glam Glow, some Origins, Boscia, Fresh, Kiehl's, just a lot of different skincare masks. So yeah, if you know someone who's really into masking, then this would definitely be a great gift set to give them. Alright guys, so that's everything for my holiday gift guide inspired video. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything will be linked and listed below. I'm thinking about doing something similar to this for men, so kind of like a men's holiday gift guide. So if you guys would be interested in something like that, definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I can include Colton and just kind of let you know some things that I think will be great for giving back to the man in your life. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye!